Now we're getting to the embarrassing part.
So this is actual Jimmy. Can you see them? It's here. So it looks slimy. Did Jason do his hair? Yeah. It's gonna show
Wait, we have to wait.
No, you can't be. You can't be. I can wait.
Oh my god.
It's like, no!
Say hi. Is that Jason?
What about you guys? About eat this right here.
Okay, now come back.
Order the noodle, right? You're just trying to add more on the top. You already knew, right? Okay.
Yeah, I'll have Jim's thumb. He's gone. I think we already know there's